So guys, if you want to build a brand online or a business online, it all starts with one thing. It all starts with you getting a powerful Facebook page. And in the next few minutes, I'll be showing you guys how to create a professional looking Facebook page that attract followers and boost your presence for you. Like even if you have never done this before, you get to learn how to do this. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value watching this. So for you to create a Facebook page, you need to go to your profile. So you can see right now I'm on my profile. So what you do is go to where you have pages. So come to the left hand side of your dashboard where you have all these features right here. So come over here and click on see more. Once you click on see more, then you scroll down more to where you have pages. Can you see pages right here? So once you click on pages, then you'll be taken to where you create a page for yourself. So peradventure you want to start content creating or you want to run Facebook ads, this is how you get to create page for yourself. This is how you go about creating page for yourself. So just simply come to where you have create new page and click on it. Then over here you get to provide informations about your page. So can you see it has loaded completely? So right here you have to like put in your name over here, the name you want your page to bear. So right here I'll just write Samuel is marketing. So over here you have to put in a category. What category does your business fall into? So just search for the category and some options will come up for you to choose. So I'll be choosing digital creator. Can you see that? If you're a content creator, once you type content, then it will bring out content creator for you. Then over here, write a short bio about yourself. This one is optional, it's not compulsory, but I advise you to write it so that those that connect with you on your page get to know what you are all about. I teach marketing. That's what I'll write right here. Can you see that? So once you're done filling that, then you proceed and click on create page. So once you click on create page, then to take it to the page itself, here you get to like edit some basic information about your page. Can you see? Samuel is marketing was created. Over here, they ask you to provide a website. So right here, you can input your website if you have one. And right here, you can also add your phone number. So let me add the phone number over here. I'm in Nigerian, so I'll add the Nigerian phone number. Let me search for Nigeria right here. So this is Nigeria. So once I choose Nigeria, then I put my phone number over here. So this one is email. You can also add your email if you want to add your email. Just add every information that you want to be on your page. Then I'll click on next. Over here, they ask me to add a picture of myself. So I'll go ahead and add a profile picture that will appear on my page. So for now, I'll be choosing a random picture for the sake of this tutorial. Later on, I'll go and change it to my desired picture. So I'll just choose this one right now. I'll click on open. It has been added. Then you're asked to add a cover photo. So I'll tap on add cover photo. Then I'll go to my gallery and also put in a cover photo. So also put in something that represents your brand. I'm just showing you the process. I'll go ahead and edit all this later on. So let me just choose this again. I'll click on open. So can you see? All we added is already showing on our page. Can you see all that? So go ahead and click on next so that I can add the next information. So I can go ahead and connect to my WhatsApp by coming here, adding my WhatsApp number, then get a code. Once you do this, this will move again. So let me just keep it for now. Over there, just do everything you need to do. You can also invite your friends. I'll click on next. I'm not doing that for now. Then I'll just click on done. So it means I'm done creating my Facebook page. Awesome. Can you see? This is our newly created Facebook page. 0 likes, 0 follower, a brand new Facebook page. So these are some recommended next steps. So just go ahead and do them so that your page can look better than it is at the moment. And that is basically how you go about creating a Facebook page. I believe you know how to create posts. This is where you get to create posts. But that's not the purpose of this tutorial. The purpose is just to teach you how to create a Facebook page. And I believe by now you must have learned how to do that. So if you got value, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if this was valuable to you. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.